So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Then in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn your webcam a circular motion. Like for example, this is my webcam. Currently, I have I didn't remove the blindfold, so it's looking black. Now, for example, if I want to make it a bit circular, all you need to do is to just simply select the video capture device, right click over there and hit on this option of filters. Now under there, just simply add on this option of effect filters, and here you will see this option of image or mask blend. Just simply go over there. Now under this path section, click on this option of browse, and here you need to just simply select a simple black circular PNG that you can easily download from Google. Now just simply open it, and here under this section you just simply need to select this option of alpha mask, that is alpha channel. Now once you do it, you'll notice that the circular blend will cut out. Now simply close it and adjust the camera accordingly. You will notice that it has been converted to a perfect circle. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.